Define your wins. That's it. You can stop the video here if you want. You see, I spend a lot of time scrolling, a lot. I'm on Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, constantly consuming content. And when I scroll, I'm always faced with these incredible stories of engineers doing things that blow my mind. People building innovative projects, landing dream gigs at top tech companies, launching startups that go viral. It's inspiring, but at the same time, it can feel demoralizing because for me, well, sometimes even opening up VS Code feels like mission impossible. I have this complicated, almost toxic relationship with programming. I dream of being the best, not just good, but the best in the world. I fantasize about writing the cleanest code, solving the hardest problems, and creating groundbreaking projects. But wanting it and doing the work, that's where I get stuck. It's ambition without the work ethic. It's a painful cycle of wanting but not doing. That was until I stumbled upon this talk and something clicked for me. I know I've heard the usual advice a million times. Have a routine. Make coding a habit. Keep a streak going. It's all about consistency, and I get that. But in all of this productivity jargon, there's a key piece we often overlook. We're human. We're not machines. We're not productivity robots. We're living beings that need positive reinforcement to thrive. Humans, like any other animal, respond well to rewards. Sure, sometimes we can lock in and power through, but there are times when we need to feel good about ourselves, when we need to pat ourselves on the back. And you know what? No one is going to do that for us. No one is going to cheer us on for the small stuff. So I started this simple but powerful practice called defining my wins. Here's how it works. When I sit down to code, regardless of how much time I have, maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour, I focus on setting a tiny achievable goal. For instance, in the next 30 minutes, my simple win could be getting an API to return hello world. That's it. It's a small manageable task. And when I complete it, I get to cross it off my to-do list. That small act of crossing something off, it gives me a boost of dopamine, a mini celebration in my brain. Suddenly, I feel accomplished. I'm motivated to tackle the next thing, then the next. I start looking forward to each little win. This method transformed the way I view programming. It turned a daunting, stressful activity into a series of rewarding steps. It gave me a sense of direction, a way to track my progress and feel good about what I'm achieving, even if the wins seem small. It's a way to earn that dopamine hit through coding, not just from mindless scrolling. And think about it. That's exactly what social media does for us. It gives us instant, guaranteed wins. Every like, every new post, every funny video is a win that delivers a rush of dopamine. It's a cycle that keeps us hooked. So why not recreate that with our work, with our learning, with our personal projects? Why not make coding feel as rewarding as scrolling? And for every win you make, even the tiniest one, I'm here to cheer you on, because each win matters. Each step forward deserves recognition. And the more we celebrate these small victories, the more we want to keep going.